Monkey blocks.
Oh my
It's
God.
time for monkey
I
blocks.
played this a lot.
I'm stuck. I suck at this game.
What? You don't have a new
Holiday.
friend now.
It's a holiday.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Eat a gumdrop. Eat a gumdrop.
I wasn't about to let you live. But in this lobby, the thing's completely empty.
We're not entirely stuck.
Alright, hold on.
Still got cool stone blocks. I'm gonna make a cool castle, and people are going to love it because I'm sad.
I'm trying
guy.
to,
People love you.
I'm getting ready.
Guys!
That food. Wait, no.
I made a castle with a gun.
Want to see something?
That's your guys'
Yes.
Want to see something cool?
I made a.
Something cool? Grab onto this. Ready? We're gonna lift each other up. We're flying.
Oh.
Wait, let me do it.
Bye.
Let me do it. Oh, that's all I'm gonna do it. It's like platform. Let me do it.
Yeah. No.
Let me do it. Okay, ready? Grab onto this. Okay, ready? Let's do this. Now, grab it. Ow. Got it? You can't move it.
You trapped them. I want in. Let me in. Let me in.
Still.
Let me in there. Let me in. Let me in there. You let me in there, mister. You let me in there right now. You let me in. Let me in. Let me in.
Who say that?
May.
Bro, Echo had moved. Yeah, stand right there. Okay?
Yay. Dun. Now let me out. Let me out.
Wait, can you do me a favor?
Wait, guys, we can just grow and escape.
Wait, hold on.
To see I was through with hoping. Nunchucks. I made nunchucks, guys. I don't like these nunchucks. I don't like my nunchucks anymore. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna build. We're just gonna build. What is this taken? Us he left. Oh wait! My monkey! I can make my monkey.
Yeah, hold on.
Yay!
I'm trying to, but this guy keeps trying to run away.
I'm cooked.
I'm cooked. Cat, chat, I'm cooked.
Come in.
Chat, I'm
Come
cooked.
in.
He is cooked. Yeah, you are cooked.
Alright.
No, I need to buy it. I need to
Anybody
buy
that
it.
wants to
I
go
need to
in
buy
here,
it.
just
I get
come
the
in.
money later today.
Come on. I'm stuck. Come on, man.
But then I won't be
Make
able
him
to
come
afford the next one. Except I want to build this because it looks cool. Do I get the
I'm stuck. Wait, how old are you? I'm cooked. Yo, this is my house.
Should I do it? Yo, how do I get these? How do I get more of these? How do I get these?
How old are you, brother?
How do I get these bridges?
11.
How do I get these wooden bridges?
I'm like 13.
Guys, how do I get these wooden bridges?
You're like what?
How do I get these wooden bridges? How do I get these?
I'm 30. No, you're not.
I need more for my mountains.
Wait.
Is it in the winter bundle? Because they would have showed it.
If there's gonna be a first
I'm gonna build a beautiful mountain of this.
No. I'm not.
Guys, where do I get these?
Oh, yep, DJ.
Guys, where do I get these wood fences?
It's I swear to God, is there gonna be another person in here? I don't want to get. I don't want to be stuck for this scrambled guy. Open the corner. What corner?
Guys, you. Where do I get these? Where do I spawn these? Is it in that?
Not now.
Is it in the winter bundle? Cause I feel like they would show it. Cause I need more of these.
How you can get them?
You could use this. You have the winter bundle.
I'm gonna get it today. No, I need to know if it's with the winter bundle or not. Cause like it only shows that bridge, so I don't know.
Who touched me? Just use that bridge then.
But cause no, I need these wood bridges cause I'm making a mountain lodge.
I do not know where it is. I know on my normal phone.
Dang it. I might have to Google this.
Hey, what y'all doing down there?
I'm actually about to Google it.
Hey,
No. Oh.
Have one here. Have one here.
Where did my bridge go? Oh, I placed my bridge. I collected this bridge from somebody's soul. I stole that bridge from somebody's soul.
Candy cane in here. There's a giant candy cane. Jeez. I can hold that.
Don't. Actually, I'm gonna get copyright claimed.
Why you tagged him, bro? This is weird.
Why are you tagging? Don't you dare tag the little ones in this box.
Do you wanna go in?
Yeah. Yes, yeah, he wants to go in. I'm gonna escape. Yeah, he wants to get in. Shh. I'm gonna escape. Shh. Yeah, there's a
Hey, look, stand right here. Come here. What? Stand on this part. Stand right here.
Can we even
Okay,
Salvaging. It's called salvaging blocks.
Go.
Get out. I like being in the... I like it this time.
My mountain lodge will never be perfect because I'm having a brain aneurysm currently.
How do we escape from it? Candy cane. How do we escape?
You just grow. You just have to grow.
How do we escape? Stuck. How do we escape? There's a roof in the way. You're not doing me today. And this is barely a new box. Like what the guy who trapped me in made.
Wait, people are making traps in Gorilla Tag now.
Like he has red eyes, he's green, and something like that. And I swear that's
Oh, it's that guy.
And I swear that's him again. And
Swear to God.
ow. Yes.
This game doesn't make much sense.
What happened?
There,
Why
finally.
are you doing
Now we're gonna have
that?
Bro, you got
like a Actually,
Wait,
I want to have the like a there, and then these two breakers.
Sigma boy.
Whoa.
I'm resisting the urge to go punch somebody.
You're not getting it's you again.
These bridges are just gonna be my spares, I guess. They can just look like props, I guess.
Yeah, stay right there.
Hey,
Who wants to help me make the tallest slide in Gorilla Tag? Who wants to help me?
Oh God, my back hurts.
Wait. Slide in Gorilla Tag. Yeah. Come on, bruh. You do? Alright, DJ. Join the code 39GT, but after I join. 395GT is the code for making the tallest slide.
Hey! Someone in the red eye! I escaped!
Okay, nice for you.
Get back in. I'll give you this.
No! I'm not getting back
I'll give you this.
in! I'm running!
I'll give you this.
No, can't stop me! No, can't stop me!
Wait, let me in.
Let me in.
No. Hey, whoever wants to go in, Why just
you
go in.
destroying
it? Bro, why are you destroying it?
I'm trying to make a cool little map, and you're being mean to me, cause I'm. Okay, I'm trying to build my beautiful winter lodge, and people are screaming at each other.
You're not in jail, mister. I'm moving.
Is that a war cry? Somebody's sending a war cry to me. Is there a way I could, like... Could I make... I don't know what to do, because this looks just like a peak sticking out like that. Looks weird. I have an idea. I could... Don't know if they might spawn in one of these. Yes.
Yeah,
But
those
are the ones that look weird. Oh, they are just in basic. They just take a while. Jesus. Okay.
Hey! Ow! Ow! Help!
There's a pillar or something.
You can't get.
I'm just gonna have to look for all my castles.
Guys,
The castle
trap
one
him,
would look
guys, trap him.
natural.
Trap him. Trap him. Where'd he go? Over here, over here, over here. He's over here.
FBI! Open up!
FBI, Everglog on him.
Wait, actually, where is he's right here. He's right here. He's right here.
There's a post that looked like that.
Trap him.
I know it wasn't an ice one. Why is there an arrow there?
Oh,
Oh, probably.
you're good.
Okay, yeah, no. I gotta check city next second.
Yeah. No. If I,
Cause I got
I
what
was
you
gonna go in here.
need.
Don't get it. Maybe super sneaker. Maybe super sneaker.
My thing is itching.
Maybe super. We need to be super sneaky.
Ah,
Not to get caught
the heck?
by the big mushrooms.
It might have been over here.
Yep.
Guess I'm gonna have to settle for using the ugly castle. So we're probably gonna need. Why can't I grab it?
He's up there. It's clear. Uh-oh. Why didn't I build? Hey, don't hit.
Yeah, why? Oh, it's the glitch. There's too many blocks just lying around. We gotta start recycling some of the blocks.
Okay, bro. Okay, bro.
We gotta start recycling.
Oh, no. Oh, my God.
Oh, we can't. The lobby's broken. The lobby's just done for.
It's gone. What?
Yeah, it's just broken. We can't pick up anything. Like, see, I can't even pick up my own builds. It's all the stuff. Oh, it's fixed. It's fixed. It's fixed. It's fixed. It's fixed. Okay, I need a comparison. Jeez. What? Oh, there must have been a hacker in the lobby. There was a hacker in the lobby. He got me kicked. No, I lost it. Okay, we're gonna join a private. That is the code. Lahoy, Virginia. Oh, I forgot about this. This is my castle I built. We're just gonna recycle this build over here, I guess. Oh, now I have all those too. I'm gonna recycle this tree. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, this game is quite the grind. So put that on top. Bam, cycle. Okay, now we can build my beautiful winter lodge. One thing I don't like is I picked the one spot farthest away from, or I can just clear up more. It's all too heavy. Jesus. Where did it go? I'll take that. Take it. No. I'm just gonna recycle all of it except my castle over there. This video has just become, I'm going to clean up a lobby now. Oh god, what have I done? I'm on a cleaning mission. I'm gonna build a wall. Okay, I'm just not talking now. This half of this video is just. We're just gonna clean up. We're just gonna clean up this spot and start working on the Winter Lodge. The beautiful Winter Lodge on a mountain. And okay, we can start working on it as soon as I just throw this way. So okay, I guess we're gonna start off by making an actual mountain. Yes. Wait, it's on winter. Oh yes, it works. It works. I'm fine with it. I'm fine with it. Somebody had it all in winter blocks. Yes. Actually, I'm gonna build in the middle. There, that works perfect. We're gonna make this side like 2 times bigger. So we're gonna have like multiple kind of parts. So we're gonna have, if it would cooperate. Monkeybox is kind of annoying because sometimes it just doesn't. It just decides it doesn't want to work. So now we can corner it. Oh my god, yeah, that took like forever to do. Alright, we can get some like slopes on this low part. Then is there like a deeper slope? Bro, what does he want? Yo, I'm recording a video right now. I'm recording a video. Yeah? What do you need? Are you even in the call? Like... Okay, we're gonna get back to the Winter Lodge. Now we're gonna actually have the actual Winter Lodge right here. We need 4 high. I'm gonna take that as I can hang up. Yeah, no, I don't know what he wants. He's the person that was in my Downshot VR's fun video. Now we're gonna try and move it. I guess that's the closest I can go for some stupid reason. Yes. Because this bridge I like better than that ugly bridge over there. But I'm only gonna get the pack for the snowy terrain, so because I like making like lodges and the mountain things. Mount Monkey. Okay, now we can put like pillars under it. Ice pillars doesn't really look good, so honestly, it's the best. I'm trying to go with like a lodge design, so we can go. Hold on. That's my channel when it looks. I'm recording. Also, I don't like that game. I know I said don't judge me. I just don't feel like going back and retyping it. So it only needs 2. Wait, I could have made this so much easier on myself. Okay. So I'm dumb. Wait. Oh my god, this game sucks. Is it really gonna like make me screw it? You know what? Oh my god. Half this video is like, this video is 20 minutes, probably 20 minutes, because I'm just trying to build a pretty, a good looking, you know what? You know what? I think I know what to do. Let me just make sure it's not gonna work. Then, all you gotta do is put it right under. It looks like it's in. It looks like it's supporting. Half of this video is just me trying to build that. I hate this. Okay, so now I just need to work on the actual launch, which we're gonna be using fuzzy little these blocks, I guess. I need a couple of these, but just for the base. Ow! Wait, we need a floor. This is probably the best, I'd say. So we need So we need 2 of these instead of 2 of those. So it's gonna look like that. Now, oh wait, I'm pretty sure it'd look kind of good if I use these. Use these. And 4 stud. I need a 4 studded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 started. Now we need a finner. Wait. Yeah, that did work. I didn't know that. Finner 6 started. 2 of these. We're gonna like put some plates. Bam! Little, we're not large. Now let's go small and see what it looks like. I gotta fix my there. Okay, yeah, I need to just finish this and I'll post it later, bro. My head is under. Oh god. Okay, it actually looks kind of cool. Oh, you can have snowballs, great. Fly over the bridge. Whoa. Cozy. It's nice out here. Okay, last thing, I'm just gonna show you the castle I built, which is that massive castle. That my friend built that castle. That's why it looks weird. And yeah. I'm tired. Jesus. Oh yeah, there might be a bonus video coming today, but does this not? I forgot to add fences. That would look nice. But we're gonna go into the guard tower. The Royal Guard has a sniper rifle now. Yeah, so you cross the bridge. Only the Royal Family can do that. Right, actually, to make it look better. Woo! And then, yeah, this is the castle. The flag of the Gorilla Tag Nation. Yes. The Gorilla Tag Republic. Okay, yeah, okay, I'm tired. That's why I'm doing this video. Sounds like I'm depressed. But yeah, I guess that's it for today. Except I'm probably gonna post a video, maybe post a video today. That is all. Bye bye.